Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ishaq Hussain Dipra, student from English Language Center Bangladesh. Today I welcome you all to this video on my presentation about deforestation. So without any further delay, let's begin. So beginning with, what is deforestation? Deforestation is basically the destruction of forests. We are cutting down trees and destroying our forests. That is what deforestation means. Moreover, clearing of trees. We are clearing the forest, we are cutting down trees, it is deforestation. And why are we doing this? We are not even sure. We are unaware of why we are cutting down trees. We are only seeing our benefit but not the demerits of cutting down trees. And how we are doing this? It is mostly depending on human activities. Numerous human activities including cutting down trees, burning trees, or clearing forests. These are all the causes of deforestation. But the main causes of deforestation is what follows. Logging, that means we are cutting down trees for the creation of timber, which is used to make furniture and to create paper, which we take notes and we do our studies on. We really need these logs for to create these usual items. But instead of using this, we can go to a more digitalized section of our work. Now everything is available. Now we are able to digitalize everything. So instead of cutting down trees, we are able to do it digitally. Moving on, we have agriculture. We are burning down trees and forests because we are trying to make plain lands. On these plain lands, we are practicing our agriculture and we are trying to produce crops. Due to the ashes of the trees and the burning of the forest, these plain lands are actually really fertile. But we should not do this. We should instead reinstall the old land and try to make them the new agricultural land. Next, we have urbanization. Urbanization is one of the main causes of deforestation because our population is constantly growing and we are losing our land. And due to this, we are really in need of shelter and we are trying to cut down trees and make new houses. Next we can see the effects of deforestation. First of all, there is soil pollution, soil erosion. Because there is no trees, there is no binding with the soil and the top of the soil surface. Now, because of that, when it rains really heavily, the soil also flows alongside the water and we are losing our land, and that land is now moving to somewhere else. Next, there is destruction of habitat of animals. Our animal neighbors are losing their habitat and their shelter, their homes. Because of what? Because of the deforestation. They do not have their homes and they cannot live properly. Moving on, there is reduced oxygen supply, alongside there is increasing in carbon dioxide. Because oxygen is decreasing and carbon dioxide is increasing, our greenhouse gases are being stuck in the atmosphere, and now global warming is a worldwide issue. Food and water insecurity. Food and water insecurity is one of the major result of deforestation. Because of deforestation, there is drought and we are unable to grow crops, and because we are losing our water and the water is being polluted, there is no other alternatives than preventing deforestation. Moving on, the solution for deforestation, reforestation. We can, after cutting down trees, we can plant new seeds so that in that place of the trees, we can grow new trees. And like that, we can still keep our forests and also make use of our natural resources. Then there is eco-friendly farming. Instead of using harmful pesticides, we can use natural fertilizers, which will help grow our crops better and keep the pests away. So that is all for my presentation. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all for listening to me cordially.